Oh,
Hi.
I am so enjoying being on honeymoon vacation. Year one feels like a lot longer in a very, very good way. All right, this is Craig, our guide. He's gonna tell us what to do, when to do it.
So welcome to the preserve, everybody. Once again, my name's Craig. While we're out here today, be giving you a good amount of facts about the nature we see, talking about the things we see, hopefully not too much. So if there's anything that I don't talk about that y'all are particularly interested in, definitely ask me about it. I'd love to talk about it.
Oh my, got my sweet Sam with me. He's
The peanut butter fish too.
yeah.
They're just as bad.
The peanut butter fish are probably worse than the jellyfish.
I think so.
I think so.
Kids banana boat was in my life jacket.
Yeah.
Some what?
Deal.
What?
Some kind of rub-on sunscreen. I think.
Oh.
Exactly.
Hey y'all.
They've been married a year now.
Happening.
It's
We're
a
in a crystal kayak actually. So
Look
it's
how-
a clear bottom, and it's pretty clear because in Key Largo it wasn't very clear. But
Yeah, it's
you can
clear.
See the bottom.
you can see the
You
bottom.
shouldn't have wasted your time down there when you could be up here with us.
Well, I know.
They didn't know.
We're going into the mangrove. Hey there.
Hey there.
All right, we are going into the mangrove canopies. I know you are. We're doing a tandem. You can see you.
Wait, I took this way. Okay.
Yeah, we're going in, oh good, we can see a little bit better now. We're going into this really narrow mangrove canopy. Sam's that way, I'm this way. All right.
I'll just say, hey, I'm back here.
He's the
I'm
control paddle.
Over
Yeah, he's a great teacher. This is our first time in a tandem together. We've done some solo kayaking, but
there. Still getting along.
we're still getting along. This is just gorgeous. Hi, babe. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I should take them off, but I wanted to see how it's powder. The powder. It's not like shell. Okay, cool. Hi. Welcome to the island. Yeah.
So we,
You live down here. Yeah, I'm over in Green. No, you're just south of
I'd say Sam is at the helm, but he's actually at the control because I'm in the front technically, which I think is the helm. But he's in the engine room.